Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Also, 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Combo Touch iPad Pro Logitech keyboard and case for the new iPad Pro 12.19 inch. So inside you have the keyboard with the nice travel keys. They're somewhat scalloped, not a huge scallop, but somewhat. And then you have the trackpad below. You have clickers on each side. Very nice touch. It feels like a glass touchpad right here. And then you have the case part right here for the 12.9 inch iPad Pro. It has the cutout for the camera right there. And what's great about this is you can take it off. It's all magnetic. There's the pins right there. And here are the pin adapter, and it's magnetic to attach back together, and then it's a full keyboard case. Or if you just want the case and the iPad, you can go ahead and take it apart. It's magnetic, and there you go. It's full size for the iPad. And here's the back side, and what we like about the back side is the kickstand that comes out. So you can have the iPad sit up like that, and the kickstand will also adjust to varying lengths as well. So you can have it like that, and then again attach it back to the keyboard with just a snap. And this works for the new iPad Pro 12.9 inch. There we go. That's the new one, and there it is, the new Combo Touch from Logitech. And one more time, the case and the keyboard from Logitech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.